You clicked on that thumbnail because you want to know how to make this awesome wall decor. Literally, I did not know what to name the thumbnail because it's like you can either put it in your kitchen or you can put it wherever, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to make this. So if you want to know, which I do think, I don't know what I'm talking about, just keep on watching. Channel is Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. So in this video today, I'm so excited because first of all, you guys know I love to do 2-for-1 kind of deals when it comes to crafts. And this one, I'm going in this craft. What, girl? What? So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome farmhouse wall decor that you can add to your kitchen. I absolutely love it. I love how this turned out, like, for real. This again is going to be a 2-for-1. So you guys know I love to do those. So if you don't want to add this to your kitchen, you can totally flip this around and turn it into something that you can hold candles on, which is what I did, or you can hold just any type of decor item on top of these and it will just look good wherever you put it. So with that being said, let's get into this DIY. All right, so the first step to this DIY is painting these frames. I believe these are frames. I'm pretty sure they are. You could put like pictures or something in the middle of them, but we're just going to be painting these and I'm going to be using my good old chalk paint to do that. So before I do that, I'm just going to remove these staples on the back. So now it's time to paint, and I'm just going to be putting on 2 coats of this chalk paint. Alright, so now the next step after all your frames are dried is taking some chicken wire, which I got this chicken wire from Walmart, and a staple gun, and I'm just going to staple this chicken wire to the back of this frame, making sure that I am pulling it taut. So now I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to flip this on the back and I'm going to lift up any of the excess chicken wire and I'm just going to cut that right off. So now everything is nicely cut off and now I'm going to take these letters that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were originally $2.99 but they were half off when I bought them and I got the E, A, and T to make eat. And now we are just going to glue these onto the chicken wire using our glue gun. So to do this, all you have to do is flip it over and make sure that your letter is nice and center. And then wherever the metal meets the chicken wire is where you want to add your glue to. And you can also put E6000 on this as well so that it will be a stronger hold. But with the glue gun, it worked just as well. So now that everything is nicely glued, I am just going to take some paint and I'm going to dab it where I removed the black string. Alright, and so now the last step is either adding your sawtooth hanger to the back or you can just add some command strips. So now I'm going to show you how you can make this into a candle holder or a decor holder, and all you're going to need is this 2x3 picture frame from the Dollar Tree. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to remove all of the backing and then we're going to paint this with about 2 coats of chalk paint. Alright, Alright, so now that everything is nice and dry, all you're going to do is reassemble your frame. So the paper part that was in there, I'm just flipping it so that the white portion shows, but you can always get some scrapbook paper and add in there. And then after that, you're just going to attach this using either your glue gun or E6000 to the other frame, and then you're going to flip it over and remove the back portion of that smaller frame. Alright, so to match the other side of the frame, I'm just going to glue the frame and push it out just ever so slightly so it's a little flush. And then I'm going to paint it with my chalk paint. And then if you still have like a little crack, all you have to do is take that glue and glue it and then smooth it out so it kind of like seals it, and then glue and then paint over that again. Alright, so now I'm going to take my twine and I'm going to add it to this bottom frame. So you don't have to do this, but you guys know I love twine, and you could totally just leave it white. Alright, so now I'm going to take this tea light holder that I got from Walmart for 77 cents, and I'm going to add my twine to the bottom half of it, add the tea light in it, and then this DIY will be all finished. That is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.